America's two legendary car manufacturers have been in a rivalry for decades, always trying to outperform the other in power, design, and features. Now, we're taking a look at what Ford and Chevrolet have to offer to see which one is the ultimate master of the road. Both the Ford Mustang and the Chevrolet Camaro provide the perfect performance for any motoring enthusiast. The Mustang offers a range of powerful engines that can take you from 0 to 60 in seconds, while the Camaro has impressive power behind the wheel. Each car delivers a thrilling ride that you won't forget. It's a battle of the classics when it comes to design. The Mustang has a sleek and sporty look, while the Camaro has an iconic muscle car design. Each of these cars has distinctive styling that makes them stand out on the road. Choose the one that reflects your own personality and style. The features of both vehicles set them apart from other cars on the road. The Mustang and the Camaro offer advanced technologies such as GPS navigation, infotainment systems, and driver assistance features. Each car has different trim levels that offer a range of features to choose from. The Ford Mustang and the Chevrolet Camaro both offer top-of-the-line performance and features. Whether you're looking for power, design, or features, both cars deliver in spades. Ultimately, which one you choose comes down to your own personal preference.